First thing that I do before I curl my hair is that I part it into two sections, and then I take my hairbrush and then I comb my hair. And you're gonna part your hair the way that you normally would. I usually just like to do it on the side and just keep it like this. This is to ensure that there are no knots in my hair and that when I curl it, everything's going to be very smooth. The second thing that I like to do before I curl my hair is to straighten my baby hairs. The straightener I like to use is by Remington, and I was actually gifted this by my cousin. Not sure where she got it from, but if I find the link for it, I'll list it down below. And then I always get this little bump right here, so I like to straighten that as well. Just remember to not go too crazy with the hair straightening because that's also applying extra heat on your hair and you do not want to damage your hair as much. I already have a hair protectant on my hair. Now let's get into the curling. The curler that I like to use is by Bedhead. I got it from Ulta. I'm not sure about the exact name of this curler, but if I find something similar to it on the Ulta website, I will link it down below. Next up, you're going to want to take your curling glove. I got mine from Ulta, but you can find the curling hand gloves anywhere. This is to ensure that you don't burn your hands while you're curling your hair. I'm going to take the first section of my hair and push the rest of it back. And then I'm going to comb this through to make sure there's no knots and that everything is smooth. And I'm going to take the curler away from my face and curl it. See, the glove helps you hold the curler and your hair in place without burning yourself, which is why it is very important. And I hold it for like 10 seconds and then I hold the curl in place. Here it is. And then I take another part from the same section, and you're gonna want to make sure that it's a very small section. And then comb it again and curl it. And now this is the very last section. And here you go. I like to run my fingers through my curls because I don't like for them to look too tight. I like them to be a little loose curls. And here you go. Now we're gonna start the other section and let's hope they come out just as nice. Again, it's gonna be the same process as the other side. We're going to take just one small section, put the other section in the back, and then brush through this. And now I'm going to put the glove on my right hand and then take my curler and curl away from the face. Again, hold for 10 seconds and then you should have your curl. Second section, comb it through and then curl. And finally, my last section. Again, I like to brush through my curls so that they're not as tight and that they're super loose. It's up to your own preference. You don't have to run your fingers through your hair, but I just like the look of very loose curls. And last but not the least, I like to use a hairspray to set my curls in place. I use the She hairspray, and I'm going to put it on all of my curls. Guys, that is how I like to curl my hair. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be filming many more videos for you guys. I hope you guys like this video and that you stay tuned to my new videos coming soon. Bye.